Living in the Lake Las Vegas community offers an array of amenities and activities for residents to enjoy. From championship golf courses to hiking trails, water sports, and fine dining, there is truly something for everyone here. Indulge in a luxurious resort lifestyle surrounded by nature's beauty, all within a short distance of the vibrant energy of the Las Vegas Strip. Don't miss the opportunity to make 4 Grand Anacapri your new home. Experience the epitome of luxury living in the prestigious Lake Las Vegas community. Welcome to 4 Grand Anacapri. Come take a look. This exquisite home offers an unrivaled living experience, combining luxury, comfort, and the natural beauty of its surroundings. Step into a world of Tuscan elegance as you enter this meticulously crafted residence. The grand foyer welcomes you with its soaring ceilings, allowing abundant natural light to fill in the space. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating an ideal space for entertaining guests or enjoying quality family time. The gourmet kitchen, featuring its top-of-the-line appliances, premium finishes, and ample counter space for meal preparation. Whether you're hosting a formal dinner party or enjoying a casual breakfast with loved ones, this kitchen will inspire your culinary creativity. The master suite is a true sanctuary, offering a tranquil retreat at the end of a long day. Boasting mountain and golf views from the spacious balcony, you'll relax as you enjoy the evening. Inside the master suite is generous in size with a cozy sitting area, a spa-like ensuite bathroom. This master suite is designed to provide the utmost relaxation and privacy. One of the standout features of this property is its seamless integration with the surrounding natural landscape. Lake Las Vegas is renowned for its picturesque beauty, and this home takes full advantage of that. Step outside to the backyard oasis, where you'll find a private patio and refreshing pool, perfect for enjoying your mornings or an evening sunset. Don't take my word for it. Come see for yourself.